Is this a police state where they beat upon people and celebrate? Is this a police state where they preach and practice nothing but hate? Listen carefully, cause this is a serious thing. I want to know how them your police are so wicked and cruel and stoop so low. Support the wrong and not the right. Beat up on people, get away, that's not right. This is just plain hate they're teaching to the youth. I want to know how them judge are so partial in their judgment, must you wear blindfold? How can a man like that